हेलो एवरीवन। आज आप लोग देख रहे होंगे कि हमारे साथ एक लिटिल मास्टर खड़े हुए हैं और ये क्या करने जा रहे हैं। आप लोग के माइंड में जरूर ये उत्सुकता होगी कि ये क्या परफॉर्मेंस देंगे और ये क्या करने जा रहे हैं। तो दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूंगा, he is a wonderful speaker of English language and he speaks very fluent English and good English. Don't look at his size and height and his age, but the English is really fantabulous of him and he speaks very good English. He just joined us before few days and he has started performing very well. तो आज के सेशन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं इनसे कंफर्म करूंगा। कभी मैं हिंदी में भी कंफर्म करूंगा, कभी मैं इंग्लिश में कंफर्म करूंगा और इन सारे ही क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मुझे दे करके बताएंगे। बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द सेशन, I would like to know his name. What's your name?
My name is Krishna Arora.
Very nice name, Krishna. Very good, Krishna. Krishna, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Does your mother speak English?
Yes, my mother speaks English.
Do you like pasta?
Yes, I like pasta.
Does your mother like pasta?
Yes, my mother likes pasta.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Does Atul sir like shopping?
Yes, Atul sir likes shopping.
Krishna, where do you live?
I live in Shahjahanpur.
You live in Shahjahanpur. Could you tell me please what is your street name?
My street name is Lalimdi Choraha.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Do you love your mother?
Yes, I love my mother.
What class are you doing?
I am pursuing 7th class.
Could you tell me please what is your school name?
My school name is Karnas Academy Global.
What time do you go to school?
I go to my school at 8 o'clock.
Do you have any best friends?
Yes, I have my best friend.
What is your best friend name?
My best friend name is Ayush Gupta.
Do you like him?
Yes, I like him.
Krishna, could you tell me please in one sentence why do you like him?
I like him because he is very steady boy. He loves study and he respects the views of others.
Oh, very nice. He respects the views of teachers and others. So, do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school.
What teacher do you like the most in your school?
I like Mamta ma'am the most.
Why do you like Mamta ma'am the most?
I like Mamta ma'am because she is a very good teacher and she teaches everything that could understand by the children.
Oh, very nice. What subject does she teach?
She teaches English.
Alright, she teaches English. Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks English.
Do you speak English in your school?
Yes, I speaks English in my school.
I speak English in my school. Very nice. Do other students speak English in your school?
No other student speaks English in my school.
Oh, very nice. So, do you think so English is a good language?
Yes, I think English is a good language.
Can you impress others by speaking English?
Yes, I can impress others by speaking English.
Do you practice English speaking?
Yes, I practice English speaking.
Does your papa speak English?
No, my father does not speak English.
Very nice, really wonderful. Gentlemen, as you are watching Krishna Arora, what kind of performance he is giving, you definitely should watch this video till end and comment please what kind of speaking he is giving and what kind of performance he is giving of English language. Again we start the session. Krishna, you tell me please what time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
After getting up, do you go for a walk?
No, I don't go for a walk.
So you should go for a walk.
I understand.
Alright. Krishna, could you tell me please why don't you go for a walk?
I don't go for a walk because I have many works at the morning as I have to do the chores and I freshen up and I have to do the study and attend online classes.
Oh, very nice. Do you prepare food?
No, sir, I don't prepare food.
Do you help your mummy with kitchen?
Yes, sir, I help mummy with my kitchen.
What food does she prepare very tasty?
She prepares sandwich very tasty.
Sandwich she prepares very tasty. So how many sandwich can you eat at the time?
I can eat 2 sandwiches at a time.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Krishna, does your mummy prepare fast food?
Yes, my mother prepares fast food.
Does she take fast food?
Yes, she takes fast food.
Does your papa take fast food?
Yes, my father takes fast food.
Do you like burger?
Yes, I like burger.
How many burgers can you take?
I can take 3 burgers at a
3
time.
burgers at the time. Krishna, do you know what is the cost of burger?
Sir, it's nearby 40 rupees.
40 rupees. Where do you take burger?
Sir, I take burger at McDonald's.
Do you order the burger online?
No, I don't order the burger online.
Do you know how to order the burger online?
Yes, I know how to order the burger online.
So, what application is there to order the burger?
I don't know about that, sir.
You don't know about that. Very nice. Krishna, you tell me please, what subject do you like the most?
I like English the most.
English the most. So, do you know and do you understand English movies?
Yes, I understand English movies.
Can you sing English songs?
Yes, I can sing English songs.
If you don't mind, can you sing 2 lines of any English song?
Yes, sir.
Please sing a song. Please sing any 2 lines.
First thing first, I'ma say all the words on my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way the things have been. Ooh.
Oh, very nice. Really, Krishna, very wonderful. What movie do you like the most of English?
I like Titanic the most of the English.
Very nice. Titanic the most. Very nice. Krishna, Titanic is a good movie.
Yes, Titanic is a good movie.
All right, very good. When did you see Titanic?
First, I see Titanic when I was 5 years old.
All right. First, I saw Titanic when I was 5 years old. Krishna, you tell me please, when is your birthday?
My birthday is at 4th March.
Very nice. Do you celebrate?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday.
Do you wear new clothes on your birthday?
Yes, I wear new clothes on my birthday.
Do you cut the cake?
Yes, I cut the cake.
Very nice. So, what cake do you like the most?
I like chocolate cake the most.
Very nice. You like chocolate cake the most. Do you go to restaurant on your birthday?
Yes, I go to restaurant on my birthday.
Who do you go with?
I go with my family members.
You go with your family members. Does your papa go?
Yes, my father goes.
Does your mummy go?
Yes, my mother goes.
Oh, very nice, Krishna. Thank you very much. Really a wonderful performance. Gentlemen, as you have seen Krishna, he is really giving a wonderful performance of English language and he has given almost answers of my questions in English. As I have asked in English, he has also spoken English. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा कि कृष्णा ने वो सारे ही क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स इंग्लिश में दिए जो मैंने कंफर्म किए. सो जेंटलमैन, इसी तरीके से यदि आप लोग भी अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं इन स्टूडेंट्स के माध्यम से, तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना, बस एक छोटा सा काम आपको करना है कि हमारे इस चैनल को आप तुरंत से तुरंत सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच.